My country people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depending on where they watch this video from or when you take come across the video. My name na Igbenobia Osamodame, and I'm the report for Edo CBC. Today, I come monitor the work when one of Edo CBC viewer give Oga Nelson, the water collector man. Oga Nelson, good afternoon, sir.
Now, good afternoon, my country people. I greet you now. Now, good morning. Now, good afternoon, depending where you they watch this video from.
Okay, for those who they see for the first time, tell them your name and your work.
My name now Osaibe Allow Nelson. I did into installation of water collector. Water collector I did do.
Okay, now one work will come through Edo CBC with this.
Yes, and one work will come through Edo CBC. Both the two houses.
Okay, na two house. Okay, the two you install water collector put.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, you don't finish the work, abi you see the one.
I just finished at 30.
Wow. Okay. Well, yeah, now we could start from this one. This apartment, and how many drop in there?
Now 7 dropping in the house.
Okay, 7. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, we could pass around.
The one where they up, now what they call gutter.
Yeah.
This one where they bring a corn down.
Okay.
Now be the dropping, now pipe.
Okay.
Couple with the accessories.
Yeah.
It will take it one.
Okay.
So like this one now, I and the owner agreed on using hanger. See, both the two houses now hanger we use.
Okay, now hanger on I use.
Yes, and we use for this one. Okay. Then the clip is over there, as you can see.
Now this hanger, so how you see, you know the good.
Hanger still good. Hanger good. We are using because the water collector. There are many methods of installation. Okay. They install them. Some they use screw. Okay. They get screw tag where they use. They be like say if they even install that one, you go see them for. Yeah. So they use hanger. Some they use body wire.
Okay. But the person will get this one say make you use
hanger.
Okay. Where the hanger? They don't see them.
No. You know if you see, they inside the gutters. Yeah. So even for the hanger, the owner still gets choice to make. If you say no na put normally na 3-3. Okay. If you say no na do 4-4 for them. Okay. Like this one, the owner explained that we should do it 4-4. So you have to go upstairs now to video with it now 4-4. Maybe everything.
But although say I know say this one doesn't take small you do, so maybe you're not doing well. Breeze for don't pull and come on since.
Yeah. The thing shrunk.
Okay.
And also the gum where would they use? We use 2 types of gum here.
Okay.
One is the silicone gum.
Okay.
And the other is the PVC gum.
Okay.
So those 2 gum they works together. The silicone gum is used to join the gutter with the accessories.
Okay.
Then after installation, then you use the PVC gum to do the closing. Okay. Which is very, very important. Okay. So while using PVC gum to do the closing, silicone gum precisely, you will not be called for any maintenance work they leak. That one is just the final aspect of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This back now, like 2 dropping ID.
Yes. Concerning the dropping, most times it's not about say you pack dropping pull for us.
Okay.
Initially, like when we do this work, you know, say we do 8-8 for them.
Okay.
So when we do installation, we dey test them with water.
Okay.
Which them to consider the slope of where the parapet of the building goes through. So now where water dump, not really matter. Now we dey drop them. Okay. So after finishing this job, we found out that there was no space for the 8 to be complete. Okay. So now 7, like even the leftover is still there with the owner.
Wow. Okay, now 7 dropping on a couple for
7 dropping couple.
But 2 get house the same one I use 8.
Yes.
Okay.
So 7 equals 2 ton, and as you can see, it brings out the shape of the house.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Another dropping idea, coupled with the able clip, pipe, funnel, and the screws. You see, you see, say we screw up with sagam. So you know, get how in one tape, we say water collector put come on. Another drop is the this one we did this side now the inner.
Okay.
And they did inside. We call that one inner.
No.
Yeah. The one we did outside and be the outer.
Okay.
They are the components of these gutters.
Okay. Okay. My report this now the first house. I go to take one, they go the second one. Make an assist the work where your gardeners do for that particular house. Okay. Now the other house with this
Yes, now the second one be this.
for the same compound.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the same compound.
My contribute make from this view show now the water collector. See you can't give this house a very good shape. Now water not going to feed the bit your parapet, they wash your pen, they come down or your screening. This now the help of water collector. Okay. How many dropping they this side?
This one on 8 dropping idea.
8.
Yes.
Okay, we could follow around.
So like this one now hanger will still use for your hand. Each of the gutters contains four hangers
4.
to give it a solid job.
Okay.
So the uses of this water collector, with the importance of this water collector for us, we see one is add shapes to the house.
Okay.
Secondly, like that one we do just now. In case you don't do your screeding or petting, it prevents water from splashing in the into the wall and make them odd or out of the paint color.
Okay.
So one of the another second reason is that in case of those wey be like say they never do petting, they never do screening, e dey prevent reptiles like all those lizards, everything to see that space take enter inside house.
Okay.
So no be much say na only when you don do screening na you go take do water collector. So like all those lizards wey be like say they go just carry enter house from parapet, like this one na parapet no dey. So e dey prevent am and e dey give your house shape. See dey prevent am from water. That's why most people dey do am.
Okay. Like this side now, the side that 3 droppings 9 day.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 3 dropping.
Okay, well, yeah. This one I won. Okay.
So now another one.
Another dropping. Okay.
And the third one.
Okay. Look at from this angle, show them, reach it down, make them for really see them. Okay.
Then on the back side, one idea.
Okay. Yeah, and I see another one.
Yes. So with all this drop, you know, get how water will take stay inside the gutter. See, one relax. As water dey fall, the flow come out.
Even this place, this one a very technical one.
Yeah.
The comic I show people well.
You know, like, if you dey from the gate entrance, you know, if you see this one, because this one hide.
Yeah.
And the water is flow come here. That's why we have this drop in here.
They're very technical.
That's the last one. Bye.
For people, I still deal with organics in the water collector man. I say make I stay for the middle of the two house. Make una for the see the neatness of the job. Make una for the see am. Very neat and also solid. Okay, organics like this material. And which kind of material be this?
Like I always say, and the material where I promise to give any client we come. Now standard material from Edo CBC. It's called Brie Wheel.
Okay, brew we now they call the material.
Yes.
Okay, this one now not be say you know go reach 6 months. You don't dey bend or breeze they blow and throw away.
No. Now standard material recommended.
Okay. Another one. Contract have been in the person we get house now buy material.
Like this one and the person we get house now buy the material precisely.
Okay. Now workmanship now pay you.
Yeah.
Okay. How much you take do for these two house so?
Now this to us now 120 now to do this to us.
120,000 naira. Okay. You know how much? Because you follow and go buy the material now. I mean, I myself go buy am.
No, he ordered the material.
Okay, you order am.
Yes.
Okay, but now you give am quotation.
Yeah, I'm gonna give a quotation because I know they this country.
Okay.
So he ordered the material. They bring a consent and we started the job.
Okay. The quotation we reach to buy the material for this kind of place and like how much?
Like this, both of these houses is about almost 500,000 naira.
To buy the material.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, my country people, I don't see almost 500,000 naira to buy the material. A workmanship now 120,000 naira. Organics, the person will give you this house, so you know him before.
No, not from Edo CBC.
Okay, I don't see a job. I don't see a job, and they also talk waiting this water collector they do for house. To say maybe nice some house with water collector not there now. If you see this parapet, the under will come the black because of water. Now you know the water not go dey enter the parapet again. Even the wall too, your screening, anything they not go affect them. If you ever see this wall, rain you fall. So if you see the wall now, they very dried. Even when sun dey, so this na the help of water collector. You know if you use millions to build as finish, use millions to do screening. At the end of all, you can't live on like that. You put this one around to protect your house. It is very, very important. Oh yeah, organics, for those who see this job, we want to give you another water collector job. Oh yeah, give them your phone number.
My phone number remains 0811 590 3256. 0811-590-3256. You can also contact me at on 080-5131-0755.
Okay. Organize, if you want to carry this work now as contract, they say, okay, may you buy the material, may you buy everything. How much you want to do?
Like this work now, if I want to carry on now, I'll say 600 is okay.
600.
605 something.
Okay. But see,
Depending on how we take bargain.
because the material for this one is about 500 or something. If you can carry at 600, how you want to do the workmanship? I mean, because say that your work.
If I know, go down.
Okay, my country for is here. Then they are work, so they know. If you want to go bear now, you know the language we go speak for the way they'll tell no say okay now they get. I know say maybe they will get one disc. They go get one special discount where they give those where they install this work. So my country for in numbers go the display for the under for this video, while Edo CBC on go the display for on top of this video. I don't go fit finish this video without I don't thank una. Una way they give them work. I will tell you showcase them. Now they give them work across board. From in way be water collector man, go reach the man where they do stamp floor, where the different alumaco men will get the different weathers, the different furniture, the different POP guys, the painters, the producer of paints, the electricians, those where they sell electrical things. Now they patronize all of them, including those where they sell crayfish or bolo pepper for markets. Now they patronize all of them across board. We for Edo CBC. With the thank una. My prayer for una always be say una no go ever know a better yesterday. This na one of Edo CBC viewers and a water collector job na I come monitor. You don't finish them and we dissatisfied with the level of job we organize do for you. If you want to do your water collector, in numbers could they display for the under for this video. If you want to give one job and you want to make Edo CBC there to monitor them, as we do for this particular person, so contact us. Our number go day on top of this video. My contribute to know the first time when I come across this page, make no not forget to like, comment, and also share this broadcast. My contribute on do. My name is Benin, and this na Edo CBC.